everyone, welcome to TechScale. So I hope you're having a great day. This is a Sunday morning and today we are going to install CorvusOS in our POCO F1, and right now I am on Revenge OS in this phone, and if you people are interested in how the ROM looks like and is it good for gaming or whatever your requirements are, all the answers are in the video. The link is in this I button here. So number one thing that we always do is, before installing any of the custom ROM, we have to remove the security lock if we are having any on our phone. So in the security lock, we go to the screen lock and set it to none, right? So now there is no security lock in the phone. So now all you have to do is you have to go to the TWRP section, right? Before we go to TWRP section, let me tell you that the description, check the description, the download link of CorvusOS is there, right? Or you can find the link as well as the complete video information in my Telegram channel. The link is also in the description, right? So let's go to the TWRP section by pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time, right? So very soon we'll live in the TWRP section, and yes, the phone vibrates twice, and now we land to the TWRP section. As you can see here, we have the team bin recovery here. So now what we have to do is, first of all, since I am on another custom ROM, this is not the CorvusOS edition. So what I'll do is I will simply wipe my whole device. That means I'm going to completely format the data because I don't have anything important in my phone. So if you're having something like that, please keep a backup, because you cannot migrate from any other custom ROM to this ROM, because that will end up in boot loop and you will eventually lose all your data. So keep a backup and format your device, right? So I'll go to format and I'll click as yes, right? When I tap yes, I'll go to this, and very soon the device will be formatted, right? And now we have to do a small little reboot here, and again we have to press the volume up button and power button both at the same time to land to the recovery again. Since I have downloaded the ROM file already in my laptop, so I'll quickly copy the ROM file in my phone, and I'll see you on the install screen. So yes, we have successfully copied the ROM file in our device, as you can see. So all we have to do is now go to install, and we'll see the ROM file right here. It is the Alpha Centuria 16.5 version, just in case you people are curious. And yes, this is a GApps build, and just in case you don't want Google services, they also have a non-GApp variant as well. Both the links will be in the description, right? So I'll tap on this, I'll swipe to confirm flash, and very soon we'll have the ROM installed in our phone. So this process, as you know, takes around 4 to 5 minutes. I'll quickly forward the video, and before that you can see that we have the June security patch, that is 5th of June, and the build date, is there a build date? Yeah, there is a build date, I believe. Okay, there is no build date here. There is, yes, by the way, okay, it's 18/6/2021, so 18 of June 2021, right? So I'll quickly fast forward the video, and I'll see you on the other screen, probably on the boot menu. As you can see, we have successfully installed the ROM file, as it says done here, right? So I'll quickly press on reboot system, and very soon I believe we will be seeing a boot logo of CorvusOS on our phone. So let's hold on for a while. I won't fast forward the video, it might take 10 seconds. So okay, so here is the boot. Okay, I believe the animation is changed now, or maybe I forgot about the last time when I installed this. And yes, it looks super cool, super new in fact, and maybe there will be a small little time that I'll require to install, set up the device. So if that happens, I'll quickly fast forward the video, and I will meet you on the lock screen, or you can see the home screen of CorvusOS, and we'll talk more about it there, right? So I'll quickly set the phone up and see you on the lock screen. So here we are. As you can see, we are on the CorvusOS home screen, and believe me, it looks super cool. Before everything, I'll go to the display, and I'll simply turn off the dark mode, because it will make problem creating the video here. So this is how the ROM looks like. As you can see, we already have the navigations set up here, and trust me, it is super smooth. Just have a look at the animations, and if you're viewing it at 60 fps, it would be super great. It's really a piece of cake. This, if we look at the quick settings menu, you can see these are outlined bordered tiles here, as you can see, and it looks aesthetically super cool, trust me. And if I go to the settings, this says Corvus settings, so I believe all the customizations will be here. So before, in the previous build, the customizations were here: Raven Slayer, themes, Raven disk, everything was around about somewhere here. And let's go to the Raven Slayer. So here we have the notifications, gestures, lock screen, and here we have all the battery options and stuff. So everything, all the battery tweaks you can do here. Like if you want to change the battery style, maybe big circle, and you can now have a big circle. So I can make a complete video if there is a demand for that. If I get almost 20 to 30 likes on the video, I will, you know, make a complete video on all the features. Either ways, I have a video on this. A link will be in the I button here of the previous build, right? So in the display settings, we have, okay, so there are some enable blur option. I believe this is for the compositor level. Okay, so when I drag it down, I believe there will be a blur here, right? So it's something like that. So we have night light, we have, other than that, we can even tune the fonts. For example, I choose the XO2. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, the font is changed now. And on the lock screen options, there are a lot of customizations that you can do in this ROM. Other than that, let's see if safety net passes by default in this or not. So I'll write safety net. I hope you will search it, bro. Safety. Okay, for some strange reasons the search is not working. I think, is it my internet or SAFETY? Safety net. As soon as I'm clicking on this is breaking up. I don't know, there might be some reason. Maybe I'll just force stop the Play Store, and now I'll just clear all the files. Let's see if it works right now. I hope it should. Okay, here they are. And now if I go here and write safety, okay, now it's working. So if you also faced this issue, this is the way how you can do it. So let's see if safety net passes by default or not. Since for the time it gets installed, we can have a look at the settings, and we can go to the security section and see if what are the, okay, we have fingerprint and as well as face unlock available here. So let's set a fingerprint lock, or to set the face unlock, I'll have to put a pin or a pattern first. So I'll write 4 zeros, 4 zeros, and now I will quickly set up the face unlock here. So 4 zeros again, and now I'll quickly set the face unlock, and yeah, the face unlocks. Now it will bypass the screen. So as I clicked here, and now it's opening. Locked. I pressed the button, and it took me, yeah, it is taking around about 1 second to unlock this. This is definitely not the fastest one, but yes, this works absolutely fine. Now safety net is installed by default, installed here, and if I click here and run the test, let's see. Okay, so we have a problem here. The safety net fails by default. So there might be some hack, maybe, you know, by rooting the device and something, you can definitely do it. But if you people are looking for safety net or stuff, this is not the ROM for you, and all these things will be in the descriptions. So just in case people are curious about this, and whether this ROM is suitable for gaming and stuff, I'll be doing a benchmark as well. So do subscribe to the channel, and all the necessary links will be here and on the Telegram channel. So do join that as well, and all your queries will be answered there as well as in the comment section. So do let me know whatever you have in your mind. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.